Hey there, welcome back. Today we're tackling a topic of utmost importance that's going to revolutionize your life for the better. We're diving headfirst into the greatest personal finance lessons. These nuggets of wisdom are not just about managing money, they're about setting the stage for a life of abundance and security. They're simple, straightforward, and designed for everyone. So, don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your financial future. Stick around for the next 10 minutes as we uncover these life-changing lessons. Lesson number 1, setting clear financial goals. Just like a sailor navigating the open seas, you need a compass to guide your financial journey. And that compass is your financial goals. They serve as your North Star, guiding you towards a brighter, more secure future. But how do you set these goals? First, you need to figure out what you want. What are your dreams? Do you want to travel the world, buy a new house, or maybe you're looking forward to a stress-free retirement? Next, make these goals specific. Instead of "I want to save money," try "I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house." Then set a timeline. When do you want to achieve this goal? In 1 year? 5 years? And finally, make sure these goals are realistic. They should stretch you but still be within your reach. Start by setting clear, achievable goals, whether it's saving for that dream vacation, a new home, or a comfortable retirement. Lesson 2, budgeting basics. The first step to managing your money is understanding where it's going. Picture your income and expenses as two sides of a scale. On one side, you have your income, which is the money flowing into your bank account. On the other side, you have your expenses, everything you spend money on, from rent and groceries to your morning coffee run. The goal is to make sure your income outweighs your expenses. So how do you achieve this? By creating a simple budget. This involves listing all your sources of income and all your expenses. When you do this, you get a clear picture of your financial landscape. It's like turning on a flashlight in a dark room. Suddenly, you can see where your money is leaking and where you can tighten the screws. And the result? This helps you see where you can cut back and save more. Lesson 3, pay yourself first. Now you might be thinking, what does that even mean? Well, it's pretty simple. When you receive your paycheck each month, the first thing you should do is set aside a portion for savings. This isn't about being selfish. It's about prioritizing your financial health. Imagine you're at a dinner party and the host serves a delicious pie. If you wait until everyone else has had a slice, there might not be any left for you. Paying yourself first is like taking your slice of the pie before passing it on. It ensures you're not left with the crumbs at the end of the month. This approach flips the traditional method of saving what's left after expenses. Instead, you're committing to save first, then spend what's left. It's a proactive way to secure your financial future. Remember, this is like a gift to your future self and a surefire way to build wealth over time. Lesson 4, the emergency fund. Picture this, you're cruising along the highway of life and suddenly, a flat tire. Financial emergencies are like that unexpected flat tire. They can and will happen. That's where an emergency fund comes in. It's your very own financial first aid kit, ready to patch up those sudden expenses without throwing you off course. But how do you build this safety net? Start small. Even a tiny amount set aside regularly can add up over time. Prioritize it. Make it a non-negotiable part of your budget. Aim to stash away enough to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Remember, this isn't about instant gratification. It's about providing a cushion for life's unpredictable moments, giving you peace of mind knowing that you can handle whatever comes your way. This way, you're prepared for unexpected financial bumps in the road. Lesson 5, avoid the debt trap. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can sneak up on you like a prowling cat in the night. It's smooth, it's easy, and before you know it, you're in its vice-like grip, struggling to break free. It's a trap that's all too easy to fall into but challenging to escape. What makes it insidious is its nature. High-interest debt grows exponentially, making it harder to pay off the longer it stays. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, growing bigger and faster with every second that passes. But don't despair, there's a way out. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt as quickly as you can. Cut back on unnecessary expenses, save diligently, and channel these savings towards clearing your debt. Remember, every dollar you pay towards your debt is a dollar saved from high interest. Try to pay off your debts as soon as possible to free up more of your money for the things that truly matter. Scene script, Lesson 6, Invest for the future. Just as a gardener plants seeds today for a bountiful harvest tomorrow, investing is about planting your financial seeds for a prosperous future. It's about making your money work for you rather than you working for your money. There are several avenues you can venture down when it comes to investing: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate. These are just a few of the options available to you. Each comes with its own set of benefits and risks, but the common thread running through all of them is the potential for growth over the long term. Investing is not about getting rich quick. It's about growing your wealth slowly and steadily. It's about understanding that every dollar you invest today has the potential to multiply over time. It's about harnessing the power of time to your advantage. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start investing. Even a small amount can grow into a substantial nest egg over time. Lesson 7. Understand compounding. You might have heard that compounding is the 8th wonder of the world. But why is it so powerful? Picture this. You put some money in a savings account. Over time, that money earns interest. But the magic of compounding doesn't stop there. The interest your money earns also starts to earn interest, and then that interest earns more interest. It's like a snowball effect. The more time your money has to grow, the bigger your snowball becomes. That's why starting early is so important. If you start saving and investing in your 20s, rather than your 30s or 40s, your money has more time to compound and grow. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a mighty tree. So remember, the key to compounding is time. The earlier you start, the more powerful this effect becomes. Lesson 8. Live below your means. Now this might sound like a sacrifice, but it's more about making mindful decisions. It's about the freedom that comes from not being chained to extravagant expenses and the peace of mind from knowing you're financially secure. Here's how to do it. First, differentiate between your wants and needs. Needs are essentials like food, shelter, and healthcare. Wants are everything else. It's okay to indulge in your wants, but only after your needs and savings are taken care of. Second, avoid lifestyle inflation. It's tempting to spend more when you earn more, but that's a slippery slope. Instead, consider increasing your savings when your income rises. Finally, remember this isn't about deprivation. It's about creating room for what truly matters in your life. So, prioritize experiences over possessions, quality over quantity, and long-term happiness over short-term gratification. Live within your means and save the rest. Lesson 9. Continual learning. Personal finance is much like the vast ocean, ever-changing and full of uncharted territories. To navigate these waters successfully, you must commit to a journey of continual learning. This means staying informed about the latest financial trends, understanding the economic climate, and familiarizing yourself with diverse investment options. It's about constantly adapting your strategies in response to market fluctuations and personal life changes. Perhaps you'll discover a new tax-saving avenue or an investment opportunity that wasn't there before. You might even find better ways to manage your budget or save for retirement. The world of finance is dynamic, and being open to learning ensures you're not left behind. Remember, financial wisdom isn't a destination, it's a journey, a marathon, not a sprint. So keep reading, keep exploring, and keep asking questions. Because in the realm of personal finance, knowledge isn't just power, it's prosperity. Education is key. Lesson 10. Seek professional advice when necessary. This is crucial when it comes to managing your finances. There might be instances where the financial waters get a bit murky, perhaps when dealing with taxes, investments, or estate planning. This is when a financial advisor comes in handy. They're equipped with the knowledge and experience to navigate these complex issues and can help you make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. They can provide guidance tailored to your unique situation. Well, there you have it. The greatest personal finance lessons that can truly change your life. We've navigated the roadmap to financial success together, starting with setting clear, achievable goals and understanding the basics of budgeting. We've emphasized the importance of paying yourself first, preparing for the unexpected with an emergency fund, and the need to avoid the debt trap. Investing for the future, understanding the magic of compounding, and living below your means were also highlighted as crucial steps towards financial freedom. And let's not forget the power of continual learning and seeking professional advice when needed. These lessons, while simple, can have a profound impact on your financial well-being. They're not just about money, they're about securing a future that aligns with your dreams and aspirations. So don't wait for tomorrow. Start applying these lessons today, and you'll be amazed at the positive impact they can have on your life.